Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an Asana account. Asana is a powerful project management tool that helps you organize tasks, collaborate with your team, and keep track of all your work in one central place. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to asana.com. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a button labeled Get Started. Click on it to begin the account creation process. This will take you to the sign up page where you'll have a few options for creating your account. For a quick and seamless setup, click Continue with your Google account. This option allows you to sign up without manually entering your email and creating a new password. After clicking, you'll be prompted to choose your Gmail account from the list. Select the account you want to use for Asana. This step might take a few seconds to load, so just be patient while the system connects your Google account. Once you're logged in, Asana will ask you to enter your full name. This helps personalize your workspace and makes it easier for team members to recognize you. You'll also have the option to upload a profile picture at this stage, though it's not required. After filling in your name, click Continue to move forward. Next, Asana wants to understand how you plan to use the platform. You'll be asked to specify your role or purpose for using Asana. This could be anything from project management to team collaboration or personal task tracking. You can also add details about your function and specific purpose if you'd like. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. At this point, Asana may offer you the option to connect integrations like Gmail or Slack. These integrations can streamline your workflow by linking your communication tools directly to your tasks. However, if you're not ready to set this up yet, you can simply click Continue to skip this step. Now it's time to create your first project. Enter a project name that reflects what you'll be working on. This could be something like marketing campaign, product launch, or weekly tasks. After naming your project, click Continue. Asana will give you the option to add a few sample tasks to your initial project, which can help you get familiar with the platform. You can also create sample sections to organize your tasks. Feel free to modify these sections to fit your needs, then click Continue when you're done. Next, you'll choose how you want to view your project. List is the default view, but you can also select board, timeline, or calendar depending on what works best for your workflow. Once you've made your choice, click Continue. Finally, Asana will ask if you want to add team members by entering their email addresses. If you're ready to invite your team, go ahead and add them here. Otherwise, click Take Me to My Project to skip this step and add members later. Your account setup is now complete, and you'll be taken straight to the Asana dashboard where you can start managing your projects and tasks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.